Welcome to A Great Cooker. I'm Serfronya. Today I'm going to show you how to cook some frozen broccoli cuts in your rice cooker. And as you can see, we've got some frozen broccoli florets in there. And I'm going to pour them into the steamer that came with my rice cooker. I think probably most rice cookers do come with a steamer. And then I'm going to salt them a bit. With clean hands, I'm just going to mix this up a little bit and make sure they're well salted. Add 2 cups of water to the rice pot, and then put your steamer inside the pot. Go ahead and put the pot down inside of the rice cooker. I'm going to turn my machine on and then select steam, which mine automatically chooses 5 minutes, and I'm just going to leave it there to give the frozen broccoli enough time to cook all the way through. All right, we caught it right when it beat, so let's see what the broccoli is looking like. Here's the broccoli freshly out of the rice cooker. And I just want to show you that the rice still stays together, but you can put your fork through it very easily. And so it's definitely cooked all the way, but it is not mush, which is a problem I tend to have when I'm trying to figure out how to cook broccoli and what to cook broccoli in. So as you can see, a very nice looking piece of broccoli, perfectly cooked in the rice cooker. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.